everybody, it's Erin Reed, and we're here in CreativeWorld, and we're in AALL Create.
Hey, oh, you said it the right way this time.
I have the notorious thing of saying create and all, and I don't know why. It's horrible.
It's Abs here from AALL Create, and we're here in CreativeWorld, Germany, and I just met this amazing person.
So what do we have behind us? This is amazing.
This is our inspiration wall, as you can see here. So what we did in this wall here is all the artwork that I created, different collections from last year and the year before. We scanned most of my work, and then we tried to create a big collage with it. And hopefully it's colorful enough to attract people. So
I feel like I'm under a rainbow.
Yeah, there you go. So we have here, this is our Ultrapolis collection, which is all the houses collection. You can see them later over there when we go that side. You create your own house, village, town, street, high street, whatever you want. We have here other elements from different collections. A bit of ribbons, you can see here all the ribbons we have over there as well, stenciling. So just like a mix of all our product catalog, and then from there on you will see product in detail.
All right, so let's come on over here and let's talk a little bit about the products.
Have here, so all this section is our dies here, okay? So the right section is our memory decks dies. So in memory decks dies, we love memory decks. I love memory decks dies, and they're becoming very, very trendy now. So we have different dies here, all different sizes, different frames, different shapes, but each set comes with other accents, elements, like to decorate them, to use with your memory decks, but also on their own for other projects. You don't have to always use them on your memory decks only. And then here we have some ways of putting them together. So you have the box to store all of them, or you can put them in albums, or you can just use some binding disc and you create your own journal with them. Now that's the memory deck section. And then we have some dies here. This is not released yet. So you can, don't look yet. So you can see the top bit here. So we have the top bit here, our dies. So this is our tags, squares, rectangles. We have some circles as well. The rest of our die collection.
Lovely.
Again, different shapes, different sizes. We try to do something a bit different, a bit quirky, a bit edgy. Make your crafting more different and more fun. Basically, yeah.
I'm loving the grid ones here.
Oh, they look amazing. So those lines here, they're all the stencils like the grid one, like kind of postage style, like postage stamps, and we have the matching stencils with them. So it's easy for creating backgrounds, coloring, and all of that.
And you can like pull apart too?
Yes, you can, 100%. Yeah, you can. And also, so you have the main frame, but also you have toppers on the top. If you want something 3D, dimensional, so you have all the elements to put on the top. So that's cut for you all the base. You can tell, as you said, or you can also cut those and put them on the top. Or you can just put some pieces and leave others different. And here, for example, so this is the rectangle, as you can see.
Nice.
As you can see, the base is one die, and then all these squares and rectangles are toppers to create that. And the same thing with this one here.
Oh, look at the colors. Those are awesome. So much fun. And I love how it's not just a perfect edge. It's got a little bit of...
we don't do perfect here.
I love that.
Straight is not for us. No. We like anything that is straight. Look at all the borders, all the frames are different. And I mean, I personally been crafting for over 15 years. I have all the perfect straight edges. Like I have perfect squares, perfect rectangles. I've been using them over and over. All my cards look the same at the end of the day. No matter what you put here, it's always the same shape, always something that's like, had enough of that.
Yeah, no, I'm with you.
Yeah, this is the die-cut ephemera. So we have all our die-cut ephemera. So you have some focal points, you have some element to decorate your project, to create scenes, all sorts of ephemera here. And you have two new ones that will be released in March.
Don't say that.
It's fine. We can do that, just to tease them a bit. So this two will be released in March. Not long to wait. Not long to wait. But also this, I love them. We have here
these ones you can color in.
So yeah, that's what we do. So we give you, for example, the colored version, which is easy, perfect to use. But sometimes you don't need colors because your background is very busy and colorful. You need black and white to pop and to stand out. Or sometimes you want to use this, but it doesn't go with your project and you want specific colors. You can add yours. The same thing. Those flowers are the ones that you see there. The other ones is food there. So this one is this one. So we try to give you both possibilities. And sometimes in the same set you get both.
Yeah, I like that. I like the mix and match.
Yeah, mix and match. Depends what you want, you have both.
It's great that you've got quite a bit of content in there. So it's not like, oh, I got 5 little pieces. No, I'm getting like 86 or 123.
Oh, we try to really give you a lot. Like it's the same here for the dies. We don't just give you the die. We try to give you so many other elements to use with that frame or for other projects.
Because you know we want it all.
we
like a good bargain.
We do. I love ribbons. I am obsessed with colors and textures, and if I don't have 3 billion layers on my project, it's like I didn't do anything. So a bit of stenciling, a bit of ribbons, a bit of inking, a bit of whatever color I found, and then just keep it. So you have, again, to create some backgrounds, but also some little focal points in there, which can be just finished touch there. So it depends what you want. So this is our Light Up washi tape. This is the new addition to our catalog since last year. Actually, just over a year and a half, we released this
This is the one I remember coming in at Creativation last year.
Oh yes, the typewriter. Yeah, the typewriter. Yeah. So we have the Light Up washi tapes. Obviously, you can use them in a normal way, traditional way of washi tapes, but also you can create an image with them that can be amazing topper for your cards, your focal point, and you have all the hard job done. The coloring is done, the background is created, all the layers done for you. All what you have to do is let it them and let the fun begin.
This one is beautiful. You gotta show this one over here. This one is gorgeous.
I just use it to create my album cover. Look how cool it looks. And the butterfly, can you see? Oops, sorry. Let me show you this way.
Oh,
so I decorated my cover. I didn't use anything with it yet. And the butterfly is also washi tape.
Oh, this one, the big one.
There you go. I just fussy cut the butterfly without the background.
That's cool.
This is work in progress. I call it PhD.
Like
project half done. I have so many PhDs, trust me.
There's a lot. Yes, I think we all have a lot of crafts that we have never finished. 100%. Look at all. It's a little teaser, but you got to go to their site to check it all out. I love the walls of the shows like this because it's just jam-packed with all kinds of fun little goodies.
It's like a maze. You keep looking here. Oh, what's here?
Wait, there's more.
This is the matching one I told you earlier with the dies that you liked. So this is the matching one. You have all the different shapes: circle, square, rectangle, and another circle. And then you have all the backgrounds, stencils. You have different shapes, different themes, and different ways of creating textures. So really like. This is our new addition that I really like, the creative boxes. 2 creative boxes here. In each box you get 2 washi tapes, a pack of paper. You have 10 sheets in total in each, and they are double-sided printed and nothing repeated, so you have 20 designs in total.
Nice.
And then you have a pack of ephemera, and each pack has, of course, over 100 pieces.
I love all the 100 pieces, that's great.
Yeah, and those, a lot of people ask us like, oh, are the washi tapes from the old one on you repackage them in a pack? No, they're completely new and different, and the only way to get them is in the box. And the whole idea of the box is not trying to give you a lot of product. No, in fact, we put this to give you everything that works together, so it's easy for you to create projects. You have the paper, the base, you have the image with washi tapes, and then you have the ephemera to decorate, and so the project. And you can make with one box minimum of 60 projects.
Nice.
Yeah. And then you will have lots of leftovers from the paper and the ephemera, and you create as many as you want. So minimum 60 guarantee. And then the rest.
People are like, I don't know what to put that with that.
Yeah.
Like they're having a hard time, or like what colors go well together.
And sometimes that make us a little bit overwhelmed because we have so many products, and then sometimes we end up not using most of what we buy.
Yeah.
Well, in this kit, you know, everything works together. You put the kit on your table or your desk, and then that's it.
Yeah.
You
I'm
just
gonna make a tag today. I'm gonna make it. Then it's just what do I want to make? Like which type of project?
Yeah.
I'm gonna make a book. I'm gonna make a tag. I'm gonna make a card.
And then here in the last section, we have all our stamps here. We have different designers. This is Jana Klein one. This is a whimsical word of Jana Klein. It's amazing. It's colorful. It's quirky. It's different. So I love them. She's from Arizona.
Oh, look at that.
Yeah, she's in the US. She's our American designer. So we have beautiful word, whimsical. We have some alphabet with matching dies, and you can use also the dies on their own. They also have matte and line pieces. And then here is, this is the Ultrapolis collection I mentioned earlier.
Can we show these ones because we are in February?
Okay. Go for it.
So we're in February. We can show you this. Here we go.
This one, yeah. So we'll be in the shops. So now it's released to wholesalers, and it will be in the shops probably in 2 weeks' time, probably.
Okay.
Less, just the time to ship everything, and then you can get hold of them. And then we have here more designs here, also beautiful pieces in there. So that's the word of Poland to create.
It is absolutely beautiful. So thank you so much for watching. I will have all the links where you can find all these amazing products down below in the information section. And thank you so much.
Thank you.
Appreciate it.
Yeah, thanks
I gotta
for
give a big
stopping
hug.
by.
Are you a hugger? All
of
right.
course, I am a big hugger. Yeah.
I love
Thanks
hugs.
for coming, stopping by, and hello everyone in the US.
Everybody.